god, oh my god, oh my god! Ah! This arrived today. It's the Kodak Charmera Picture the Millennium. Okay, it's currently 10:43 p.m. Bedtime ko na actually. Pero syempre, we have to open this. Okay, it has 6 styles plus a secret. So, yan yung bagong style. But I'm hoping makuha ko yung secret. Unbox with me. Okay, let's go. Please naman. Okay, sabi dito, it has 7 photo filters with 4 photo frames. So, let's try that out. Oh my god. Ah! Ang ganda! This is what I was hoping for. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I think nakuha ko yung secret!
Secret?
Oh my god! Yung secret yung nakuha ko! Oh my gosh! Ang ganda ng secret! Look!
Mine.
Oh my gosh! Look at this! So cool! Neutral color siya. So, kahit anong bag, pwede siya isabit. So, I think, I don't know. Na-speechless ako, pero let's try it out now.